Hello everyone, so today I'm going to make this pasta, very traditional from Italy. It's just garlic, olive oil, spaghetti, parsley, and some Parmesan Reggiano. I'm going to incorporate some shrimp to enhance the flavor, and it's going to be easy to make. We have mostly all the ingredients at home, so stay home, stay safe, and let's start cooking. So we cook the garlic on medium heat, so we infuse the flavor of the garlic on the oil. That's the main thing on this recipe. Still cooking the shrimps on medium heat. We don't want to burn the garlic. We just want to infuse the garlic flavor on the shrimp and on the oil as well.